Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we will see what is the block scope in JavaScript and what is the difference between var scope and let scope in JavaScript. So let's try to explain it by an example. Okay, let me open the code editor. So first let's have a look at a small example. Let me create two p elements with its IDs, demo1, and let me close it, and one more p element with id equal demo2. Let me close that also. Okay, now let me create a script tag and close the script tag, and here inside let me keep a block, curly braces, right, that we call a block. A block scope is related to that only. So let me use the var scope first. Var favorite color equal orange, and let me close it. Then outside of that block scope, let me declare one more variable, my favorite car, BMW. Yep. So that's it, right? Okay, then let me try to print that, display this variable. First, favorite color, document dot get element by id of which one, the p with id of demo1 first. Let me try to dot inner html equal my favorite color, right? Favorite color. Let me copy this and use it here. Favorite color, and then sorry, this is not var, and it should not be outside even. Let me keep it inside the block only, and use let scope. Yeah, so that's what. All right, so this is a favorite car variable with let scope, and that is favorite color variable with var scope. So the first one, what I am doing is here I am trying to display var scope variable, right? So let me see how it display. Let me go to my file, open with Chrome, and see how it works. Yes, that displayed properly as expected. My favorite color orange displayed, right? Let me try to display the other element by document dot get element by id of demo2 dot inner html equal favorite car, right? Fav car. Yep. So that is with let scope, right? So let scope, what is the let scope? If you look at first the var scope, that can be accessed outside of the block. Basically, that can be accessed, the variable which is declared inside the block can be accessed outside of the block. That's why we are able to see that favorite color, the variable. And but the variable declared with let scope, that is inside a block, that cannot be accessed outside the block. So obviously when you try to display this, you will get undefined issue, right? So let us try to display that. No result, right? Let's open the console and see what is the error we get. Yeah, see this, favorite car is not defined. Why it's not defined? it's not defined just because of it is a let scope that is inside the block scope that can be accessed only within the block. For example, if I try to access it here, yes, definitely it has to come, right? It is accessible now. Let us see. Let me try to, yep, see, that is displayed. We don't need this anymore, right? That error gone, right? So that is the main difference between let and var scope. Now you go to know what is the block scope. That is we use some statement or variable declaration inside this block, that is block, and the variables declared with a var scope that can be accessed inside and outside of the block. That's why we are able to use it outside of the block as well. Inside of the block also accessible, but the variable declared with let scope, that is accessible only within that block, not outside the block. If you try to use it, you will get that undefined error. So hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and leave your comment, and we will see in next video. Thank you.